Do not do these 5 most important things on YouTube after uploading a video, because it is silently killing your channel. Do not skip any parts. Stay to the end of this video, as I'm going to be telling you what you should not do and the solution, what you should do instead. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Precious, and here I bring to you tools, ideas, strategies and tips on how you can grow your YouTube channel fast. So let's go. The number one thing you should not do after uploading a video on YouTube is deleting the video. I know you might want to delete a video on YouTube and re-upload it because you do not get as much views as you wanted, or due to some other reasons. Never delete the video. The harsh truth is that when you delete a video because you do not get much views, or because you get lesser views, and re-upload it, the video is still not going to do well. Having 20 views, 15 views, or even 10 views is better than having no views at all. Okay? Having 5 to 10 views means YouTube actually showed your video to people and people really watched it. YouTube is even against deleting a video. Not just YouTube, even other social media platforms. So it's very wrong. And if you continue deleting your videos, YouTube is going to flag your channel as spam, and you will get shadow banned, and they might even delete your channel entirely. Even if the video has copyright issues, do not delete it. Just find out where the issues is from. If it is from your background music or anything at all, just find it and correct it. YouTube has such features there, so go there and correct it. Though the features is not on the YouTube app, but it's there on the Chrome version. Yes, desktop version of it. So what can I do if my videos are not getting views, or is stuck on a particular low view, instead of deleting it and re-uploading it? Number one thing you should do is start using that particular video as an end screen while uploading another video. Yes, if you want to upload a video right now, okay, at the end of the video, while adding descriptions and every other thing during uploading your video, just go and add the video at the end screen. Yes, there are some people that might want to watch that particular video but did not see it. So because you add the video on your end screen while uploading another video, that particular person might see the video, okay, and then watch it, and you get your views and watch hours. The second thing you should do is clip out an interesting part and eye-catching parts of the story and use it for shorts. Yes, when you upload the video as a short, then you can now take the link of the long form video and add on your description. Okay, so when somebody watches the short video and it is interesting and eye-catching, yes, when they like it, they will be prompted to watch the full video. So instead of deleting the video, just clip out an interesting part and use it for shorts, and then link your long form video to the shorts. The third thing you should do is start promoting the video on your community post. Yes, start promoting the video on your community post. When you post the video there, or the thumbnail of the video, then you add the video link. Okay, then you add the video link. When somebody click on it, the link will take them straight to the long form video, and they can now watch it. So the second thing you should not do is sharing your video link. Do not share your video link at all. Do not share your video link. If possible, do not try to tell anybody about your video. I know you might want to share your video link to your families and friends, or even any platform you are in, like WhatsApp or Instagram. Yes, because there is a lot of people that are in such platform. Then they would want to share their video link there, so that the people there will come to YouTube and watch their video. It's very wrong. For instance, if you share your video link to your family members or your friends. Yes, they might come to watch it too. They will come and watch it in order to promote your video. But will they watch the video to the end? Maybe if you post a 10 minutes video, will they watch up to 5 minutes? If it's an 8 minutes video, will they watch up to 4 minutes of the video? So you see, and you don't even know if they are interested on that particular niche. Okay, let's say you posted a 5-minute video, and those people you shared your video link to, they came and watched, let's say, 20 to 40 minutes of the video. First 20 people came and they watched only 20 minutes out of a 5-minute video. It's not good. It is sending a very bad signal to YouTube algorithm. It's telling them that this video is not good, this video is not okay. You see, and even if YouTube wants to push the video further, YouTube will not push it again, because they will think that the video is not okay, and that's 20 people that came to watch the video did not like it, so they will see the video as a very bad one and will not think of pushing the video. And also, your channel will not be monetized if you have too many external views coming to watch your videos on YouTube. If your viewers is not coming directly from YouTube, your channel will not be monetized. Your channel is at a very high risk of monetization. Yes, I have seen so many people having issues when it comes to monetization, because the viewers they are having on their channel is more of external than YouTube views. Yes, that their external views is more than the viewers YouTube is directly sending to them. So as a new creator or a new YouTuber, do not try to make do with such a thing. So solution to this now is you allowing YouTube to do their things their own way. When you upload a video, give YouTube some time, give YouTube space to analyze that video and know the audience they will send it to. YouTube know the audience, the right audience to send your videos to. They know the particular right audience to send that video to. So when you post a video, allow the video to digest first. Allow YouTube to do it their own way. Okay? And another advice I'll be giving to new creators, mostly, especially new content creators, new YouTubers, do not try to share your video link to any external platform until you are monetized. Yes, until you are monetized. The number 3 thing you should not do is buying views. Yes, buying views is also like sharing your video link. Do not buy views to come to YouTube and watch your videos, because they are also from external platform, because they are also external viewers. Do not buy views. And also, you don't even know if the viewers you are buying, if the account is legit, if the account is okay, if the account is correct, because some of them YouTube might even flag them as spam. So you see, you should not buy views, though the platform usually say that those viewers you are buying is legit, they are correct, they are okay. But I'm still saying, I'm still advising not to buy views, because it is killing your channel, it is killing your videos. Those viewers, you are not even sure if they will watch the complete videos. So abstain from buying views. Do not buy views at all. Do not buy them if you are a growing YouTuber. Okay, like I said before, give YouTube time and space to analyze the video. Okay, to analyze the video. That is why it's very, very important for you to optimize your video, optimize your description. It will also help YouTube to know the type of people to send that video to. So try as much as you can not to buy views. The number 4 thing you should not do is changing titles and thumbnail. It's good to change your thumbnail and title if you notice that your CTR is not as high and as good as it usually is. It's not as good as it is before. It is good for you to change your title, for you to change your thumbnail. Okay? But do not do it the wrong way. It's bad when you do it the wrong way. For instance, when you upload a video now, then you did not get much views as you wanted, or you did not even get any views, go ahead and change the title or the thumbnail. And after some minutes again, after some hours, you come back and rechange it. After some minutes, after some hours, you come back and change it again because you do not get as much views as you wanted. It's very, very wrong. Do not do it, because YouTube is going to flag your video, that video, as a spam. Now maybe you notice that your CTR, your click-through rate, is not as high as it is before, and maybe it's because the thumbnail you use is not good, or the title you use is not okay. You can change it, but that will be after 3 to 4 days of uploading that video. That is where you can now change it and it will not be wrong. So that is why YouTube has the features of testing thumbnails to know the one your viewers like. You can use it. You can create up to 3 thumbnails and you test it. You test it and know the ones your viewers like. Okay? So instead of uploading now and changing later, uploading now and changing later, just create 3 thumbnails and add them there, so that your viewers can now choose by themselves the thumbnail they like. And maybe at the end of the day, you can now check, after the testing, you can now check the thumbnail which your viewers like, the ones they resonate very well with. You can now add that thumbnail. You can now leave that particular one. Okay, so the solution to this is, before uploading your video, try as much as you can to get your thumbnail done. Get a thumbnail, get at least 3, okay, and keep them. Get your title, get different titles and keep them. Then check, analyze them very, very well. Take yourself for instance. If I am the one watching this video, if I see this thumbnail, take yourself for instance. If I am the one watching this video, if I see this title, if I see this thumbnail, will I click on it at once, watch the video? What will move me, what will trigger me to click on this thumbnail, to click on this title? So after checking all of these things, after giving yourself a truthful answer on this thing, you will ask yourself, then you can now go ahead and choose a thumbnail, choose a title and then upload. Okay, so instead of uploading and changing, just take your time, calm down, analyze and check the one to use. The number 5 thing you should not do is checking your analytics from time to time. This will not just kill your videos, it will also kill you. Yes, the zeal and enthusiasm of a content creator in you, it will kill it and bury it at the same time. For instance, you posted a video now, and in the next 30 minutes, you check if the analytics is up or down, if you have views or not. And in another 30 minutes, you check it again, if you have views, and maybe it will be no views. And another 30 minutes, you check it again, no views. You check again, no views. And in the next 5 to 6 hours, you have been checking it and it's still on no views. Tell me truthfully how you will feel on the comment section. I want to know. I know you'll feel bad and pressurized. The pressure it will put you in will be so much and unbearable, and it will lead you to deleting the video and re-uploading it, sharing your video link and even buying views, changing thumbnail and titles every minute, which will lead to flagging your channel as a spam, you going under shadow banned, and YouTube even deleting your channel. It's true that you might want to check your analytics to know how your video is, how and where to improve on your next video, but it should be at the end of the day, maybe after 24 to 48 hours of uploading that video. Okay, you can now check it. You can now check your analysis and know what next, the next step to take. But do not form it as a habit of checking it every minute all the time. because it is very, very bad. So that is all for today. If you find this video helpful, do it to like the video, comment and share to people that need it most, to people that want to hear this and stop doing it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button now. Bye. See you on my next video.